Hello and welcome. Join me on a journey to Iceland, a land where fire and ice collide, sculpting a world unlike any other. Perched on the edge of the Arctic Circle, Iceland is nature at its most dramatic and untamed. Here, we'll walk behind waterfalls, float among icebergs, and stand on the rift between continents. This is more than a tour. It's an immersion into Iceland's most stunning natural wonders. Prepare to see our world in a breathtaking new light. Our journey begins at Seljalandsfoss, one of Iceland's most iconic and enchanting waterfalls, where the landscape feels almost otherworldly. As you approach, the thunderous sound of water crashing down from a height of 60 meters fills the air, and the sheer scale of the falls is both humbling and awe-inspiring. This is a waterfall straight from a fairy tale, framed by lush green cliffs, and often bathed in the golden light of sunrise or sunset, making every visit feel magical and unique. What truly sets Seljalandsfoss apart is the rare opportunity it offers. You can actually walk behind the cascade, venturing along a narrow, winding path carved into the rock. As you step through the shimmering curtain of water, you're enveloped in a world of sound and sensation, the falls thundering just meters away. The path beneath your feet is slick and mossy, a vivid green testament to the constant spray, and every step is a reminder of nature's raw power and beauty. The air is thick with mist, a cool, refreshing embrace that clings to your skin and fills your lungs, awakening your senses and making you feel truly alive. The roar of the falls drowns out the world, creating a cocoon of sound where worries and distractions fade away, leaving only the present moment. Standing behind the veil of water, you find yourself suspended in time, surrounded by the raw energy of nature and the serenity it brings. When sunlight pierces the mist, rainbows often appear, arching gracefully through the spray, and adding a touch of magic to the already breathtaking scene. In these moments, the landscape is transformed into a living painting, vibrant and ever-changing, a testament to the artistry of nature. From behind the falls, you're not just an observer, you become part of the wonder, sharing in the secret world hidden behind the water's veil. This intimate encounter with Seljalandsfoss sets the tone for our Icelandic adventure, inviting us to explore, to feel, and to connect with the wild spirit of this land. Here, beauty isn't just seen, it's felt and experienced with every sense, leaving a lasting impression on your heart and mind. Seljalandsfoss is the perfect beginning to a journey where nature invites us to step closer, to be present, and to discover the extraordinary in the everyday. Next, we travel to Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon, where icebergs drift in silent majesty. Each iceberg is a unique sculpture, glowing in shades of blue, streaked with volcanic ash, a record of Iceland's fiery past. Floating among these frozen giants, you feel humbled by nature's artistry. Nearby, Diamond Beach glitters with crystal-clear ice on black volcanic sand, a fleeting display of nature's beauty. Seals sometimes appear, adding life to this surreal scene. Jökulsárlón is a living exhibition of creation and dissolution, a reminder of time's passage. To stand here is to witness millennia in motion. It's a memory etched in ice. From glaciers, we move to the warmth of the Blue Lagoon. Set in a black lava field, its milky blue waters are rich in silica and minerals, creating a soothing, otherworldly experience. The lagoon is man-made, but its geothermal origins only add to its magic. Floating in the warm water, you feel tension melt away, surrounded by steam and volcanic rock. Silica mud offers a natural spa treatment, leaving skin refreshed. The Blue Lagoon is a symbol of Iceland's harmony with its geothermal power. Here you bathe in the Earth's warmth, a testament to living with nature. It's a place of relaxation and renewal. We now visit Gullfoss, the Golden Falls, a breathtaking display of raw power. Two massive cascades plunge into a deep canyon fed by glacial waters. The roar and spray are overwhelming, often crowned by rainbows in the mist. Gullfoss was nearly lost to development but was saved by early conservation efforts, a victory for nature. From various viewpoints, you feel the force and scale of the falls. Gullfoss is a humbling reminder of nature's creative and destructive power. It's a masterpiece of water and rock shaped over thousands of years. Standing here, you sense the wild heart of Iceland. This is nature's fury, preserved for all to witness. Our journey continues to Vatnajökull National Park, a realm where nature's extremes collide. Here lies Europe's largest glacier, a frozen giant that dominates the landscape and shapes the very soul of Iceland. This vast wilderness is a breathtaking tapestry of ice and volcanoes, where the forces of fire and ice are forever locked in a dramatic embrace. The glacier's white expanse stretches as far as the eye can see, interrupted only by the dark silhouettes of volcanic peaks. Glacier tongues snake down into deep valleys, carving the land over millennia. Glacial rivers, born from melting ice, wind through volcanic deserts, creating a landscape that is both stark and beautiful, wild and ever-changing. In the depths of winter, magical ice caves form beneath the glacier. Temporary cathedrals sculpted by nature where blue light dances across crystal walls. These hidden chambers are fleeting wonders, vanishing with the seasons. The glacier's immense power is etched into every surface, striated rocks, shifting ice, and the deep, resonant groans that echo through the frozen expanse. Every crack and crevice tells a story of relentless movement and transformation. Vatnajökull is alive, always shifting and reshaping itself. It's a living lesson in patience and persistence as the ice slowly sculpts the land, reminding us that change is constant even in the coldest places. To hike across this glacier or to venture into its shimmering ice caves is to feel truly humbled. The sheer scale and raw beauty of Vatnajökull make you realize how small we are in the face of nature's grandeur. This national park is a sanctuary for wild, untamed beauty, a place where the natural world remains largely untouched. It stands as a powerful reminder of what must be cherished and preserved for future generations. Beneath the ice, volcanic forces continue to shape the land, creating new formations and reminding us that Vatnajökull is a world still being born, a landscape in perpetual transformation. Standing here at sunrise as golden light spills across the glacier, you can't help but feel awe and respect for this extraordinary place, a true wonder of the natural world. We arrive at Reynisfjara, Iceland's iconic black sand beach. The shore is made of volcanic sand, a stark contrast to the white foam of crashing waves. Basalt columns rise like organ pipes, a geometric marvel sculpted by cooling lava. Offshore, the Reynisdrangar sea stacks stand as mythic sentinels. Trolls turn to stone, legend says. The beauty here is matched by danger. Powerful sneaker waves demand respect. Reynisfjara is a place of contrasts. Orderly columns, chaotic sea, beauty and peril. It commands your attention and awe. Here, land and ocean meet in dramatic fashion. Now we reach Thingvellir National Park, a site of immense geological and historical significance. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a natural wonder, where the Earth's crust is visibly pulling apart. Here, the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates are slowly drifting apart, creating dramatic fissures and canyons that are a testament to the dynamic nature of our planet. Walking through Almannaja Canyon, you literally walk between continents. This unique experience allows you to feel the immense geological forces at work beneath your feet. Thingvellir was also the site of the world's oldest parliament, the Althing, founded in 930 AD. This historic assembly gathered at the Lagberg, or Law Rock, where laws were recited and disputes settled. The Law Rock was the heart of Icelandic democracy, echoing with debates that shaped a nation. It stands as a symbol of the enduring spirit of the Icelandic people. This park is where natural and human history intertwine, offering a unique glimpse into the forces that have shaped our world and our societies. You can even snorkel in the Silfra fissure, floating between two worlds in crystal-clear water. This underwater wonderland is renowned for its visibility, often exceeding 100 meters. Thingvellir is a living museum, a place of constant change and deep resonance. It's a landscape that tells the story of our planet's geological evolution and human history. It's where the story of our planet and our people meet, creating a tapestry of natural beauty and historical depth that continues to inspire and educate visitors from around the world. Deep in the highlands lies Landmannalaugar, a landscape painted by volcanic forces. Rhyolite mountains glow in reds, greens and yellows, shifting with the light. Trails wind through this kaleidoscope, offering endless vistas for hikers. The famous Laugavegur Trail begins here, leading through some of Iceland's most stunning scenery. At the base, natural hot springs invite you to soak after a day's trek. Reaching Landmannalaugar is an adventure, preserving its untouched beauty. It's a reward for the determined, a vision of nature's creativity. Landmannalaugar proves the most beautiful places are often the hardest to reach. Prepare for Dettifoss, Europe's most powerful waterfall. Here, Glacial water crashes over the edge, sending up a thunderous roar and a cloud of spray. The landscape is stark, gray rock, little green, all focus on the relentless cascade. The ground trembles beneath your feet, a visceral reminder of nature's force. Two viewpoints offer different perspectives, one intimate, one panoramic. There are few barriers here. The wildness is real and demands respect. Gullfoss is not gentle beauty but raw, awe-inspiring power. To stand here is to feel small before the elements. It's a sight and sound you'll never forget. Our final wonder is Jökulsárlón, the iconic church mountain of the Snæfellsnes Peninsula. Its perfect symmetry and dramatic setting make it Iceland's most photographed peak. Surrounded by sea and beaches, Jökulsárlón commands the landscape. Across the road, Gullfoss Waterfall completes the postcard scene. In summer, the mountain glows green. In winter, it's a snow-capped silhouette beneath the northern lights. Jökulsárlón is a muse for photographers and a symbol of Iceland's quiet beauty. It's a place for contemplation and inspiration. A fitting conclusion to our journey through Iceland's wonders. Our journey through Iceland's natural wonders comes to a close. We've walked behind waterfalls, floated among icebergs, and stood between continents. I hope this voyage has sparked your sense of wonder for our planet. Let this be a reminder to keep exploring, dreaming, and cherishing the beauty around us. Thank you for joining me. Your curiosity makes these adventures possible. Until our next journey, stay curious.